Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video I'll be talking about some hidden features about iOS 15. There are many YouTube videos which are covering on main features about iOS 15. But here let's talk about some unique and hidden features about iOS 15. So guys, let's start. Starting with setting application itself. So if you see here, the UI of setting application is changed. So now there is a box structure in setting application. Earlier it was not there. So if you see here, in dark mode or light mode, you can see the box structure. Secondly, we'll talk about DND, that is do not disturb. Now it has been upgraded and changed to focus. So now we can create or have a customized DND as per our situation or as per our choice, like you're driving, okay, swimming, or if you are to work or any personal, etc. You can have a DND. So according to the situation, you can create customized DND features about your calls or your notification. It will allow you to create customized DND setup depending upon your situation. So you can choose to receive calls and notification as per your work or a personal situation. While going through setting application, I saw that there is no more wallet feature. If you see here, there is no, right? So now there has been an upgradation in wallet. As we all know that. So now if we go to wallet application, it will allow you to download the wallets from your app store. So there are different wallets for different situation or different needs. So download them and use them. Fourth feature, there is the addition of one feature, that is about your language preferred. If you go to setting application, in mails you will see that something called as a preferred language. So you can choose your preferred language for your mails, your calendars or notes, etc. If you see, this feature will be available in many options. The next feature is about your notes application. In setting application, if you open notes and if you scroll down little bit, you will find something called as tag. Okay, so if you see here, auto convert to tag. So typing a space automatically converts hashtag into tag. So there is a new feature about your notes application which will be really helpful in your notes. Next we'll talk about your messages. If you open setting application, go to messages, there is an addition of feature, that is your focus or a DND. So now the message can be used in your focus or a DND application for a customization. Basically this will be used to send auto reply while using a DND mode or a focus mode in your device. Next we'll talk about some interesting, that is regarding Safari. In Safari, if you scroll down, there are multiple new features. The first one is about your extension. So we all know what are extension, right? There are some additional features, some additional tools we added to a Safari browser which will make browsing more fun. Okay, so now it is available in setting application. Okay, you can add it from App Store itself. If you little scroll down, okay, something called tabs. So now you can auto minimize your tab bar in Safari browser. Okay, it is a new addition in browser. If you see, okay, there is change in browser, right? So they're helpful in your Safari browser. And thirdly, if you scroll down, new option is about your hiding the IP address. If you see, hide my IP address, so you can choose to on it or turn off it as per your wish. You can choose, and it's really cool feature added to your Safari browser. Next thing we'll talk about your translate application. If you see, if you open the application, something new is addition, right? That is your download language list. It is available here, and from here you can easily download or you can have a look about your language list, right? It's really cool in this application. Now we'll talk about your maps. We all know that how amazingly maps have been changed in iOS 15, right? But here there are multiple features added to the maps in settings that which are hidden. So if you scroll down in maps, okay, rate your route. So whatever route you're taking in your Apple Maps, okay, it will ask for a review. So you can rate it, okay, as per route, and your feedback will be helpful for others as well. Okay. And second thing, you show your park location. So while using a Apple Maps on your iPhone, you will be connecting to, okay, CarPlay or a Bluetooth to your device, right? That time it will show your car in a location in your map. So whenever your car is parked at a particular location and is stopped, it will show your location in your map as a car parked. And lastly, we'll talk about shortcuts. As you can see on screen, there is a complete changeover about your shortcut options in your settings. First one about your private sharing, which will allow in receiving a shortcut from your contact itself. And secondly is your advanced. There are multiple options in your advanced. Okay, you can change it and use it for your shortcut application and customize it as per your wish. So guys, that's it for now. There might be many more features. Once I come across, I'll surely share it next video. Until then, thank you very much. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iOS update. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.